Doing this video here about my Generac. I'm gonna plug it all up. Just do a little simulated power outage on there. You can see that it's a XT85 EFI automatic fuel injected, electronic fuel injected. I'm sorry. Got a key start on there, and it's got a CO sensor, and that's pretty much it. Here's my 220. Be connecting it with that wire right up there to this cord here. Kill all the power downstairs. Before anything, you want to make sure that you are gonna turn off your main breaker, and I will kill that right now and then go from there. Right now I got power, but I'm gonna turn off the main breaker and let you know. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick simulated power outage here on my Generac XT85 EFI. Change the oil 3 times on it, and I'm gonna fire up the house and see if this thing would light up the whole house on. Let me just clean the camera a little bit. There we go. Picked it up from Costco for 1,100 bucks. It is 8,500 continuous, 10,000 starting watts. Got it all plugged in. Plugged into my generator. Got it plugged into my outlet for a 220 line to run the whole house. And let's see, we have no power in the house, as you can see. Nothing. Okay. Hey, puppy. Okay. Let's see here. Go to my main box here. Quick little video here, just to see how this generator does from Costco. But it's at, THT is at 5. Make sure everything is all good here. Okay. Turn on all the switches. Oh gosh, turn off all the switches. I am sorry. I'm not good at this. Okay. And then, make sure everything's off. Fire up the generator, and then turn the switches on, and see if I got power, and see how this thing does. Nothing. Downstairs, nothing. Power downstairs, nothing. Okay. Nothing at all. Stove's out. Fridge is out. Everything's out. Freezer. Okay. Let's see here. Son is getting mad at me. He wants to take a shower. Can't have no light. No power here, hon? No. Okay, I'll get you going. Alright. Alright. No power. Nothing. Okay. Let's get this thing fired up and see what it can do. You can pick one up at Costco. There's a fridge out here. And let's see what this thing can do. Fuel injected. There is no carburetor, so you don't have to worry about storing and everything. Got a CO sense for carbon monoxide. Circuit breaker. And let's go turn on the lights one at a time and see what happens. You have no power on? Nothing? Okay. Let's see. Chewy, let puppy in. Let puppy in. Let's see. Alright, let's go to the box here. Nothing. Washer, dryer, furnace, everything out. Okay, we'll go. First, turn on generator. I'm supposed to have a piece on here. I'm sorry. My thing went into dying mode. My phone is dying. I'm supposed to have a thing on here to turn off the main. The main has got to come off before everything, so that's crucial. Okay, here's my generator switch. Should have power to the house now. On, one at a time, nice and slow. There we go. We got power. That's the air conditioner. I don't need no air conditioner right now. We're at the dead of winter. There goes the furnace. Lights on. Let's see. So far, so good. Got power downstairs in the basement here. Make sure. There we go. Power on upstairs. You can go ahead and take a shower now. You're good. Oh, there we go. That's better. So, seems to be working good. Fired right up. No problem. Anyway, one more time. We're on the Costco. Fridge is on. And 8,500, 1,000 starting watts. Injected, battery powered to start up, and the 240 receptacle, 120, the GFIs, and that's it. Anyways,